You work hard for your money. Don't you want your money to work hard for you? That's what investing is all about. Investing is the key to building wealth over time. It's how you beat inflation and reach your financial goals. Whether it's retiring early, buying your dream home, or leaving a legacy for your kids, it all starts with investing. But here's the catch. There isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. The best investment strategy for you depends on your individual circumstances. Think about your risk tolerance, your financial goals, and your timeline. Are you someone who can stomach the ups and downs of the market? Or do you prefer a more stable and predictable path? Do you need quick access to your money, or are you investing for the long haul? These are the questions you need to ask yourself before you even think about picking a stock or a piece of property. Let's talk about the stock market. It's the wild west of the investment world, exciting, unpredictable, and full of potential. When you invest in stocks, you're buying a small piece of ownership in a company. As the company grows and profits, so does the value of your investment. It's like hitching your wagon to a rising star. The stock market has historically provided some of the highest returns compared to other investment options. Just look at the S&P 500. Over the past 30 years, it's averaged an annual return of around 10%. That means your money could potentially double in value every 7 years. Of course, past performance is not a guarantee of future results. The stock market can be volatile, but over the long term, it's been a proven engine for wealth creation. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room: risk. The stock market is not for the faint of heart. It can be a roller coaster ride, with periods of exhilarating highs and gut-wrenching lows. Remember the dot-com bubble burst in the early 2000s, or the financial crisis of 2008? Lots of folks got burned because they didn't understand the risks involved. Here's the deal. Investing in individual stocks can be risky. You need to do your homework, understand the company, and be prepared for the possibility that you could lose money. That's why it's crucial to diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different sectors and asset classes. If you're not comfortable with the idea of picking individual stocks, consider investing in low-cost index funds or mutual funds. These funds pool money from multiple investors to buy a basket of stocks, reducing your overall risk. Now let's move on to real estate. For many people, there's something reassuring about owning a piece of land, a house, or a building. It's a tangible asset you can see and touch. It's not just numbers on a computer screen. Real estate tends to be less volatile than the stock market. It doesn't swing up and down as dramatically. That makes it a good option for folks who prefer a more stable and predictable investment. Plus, real estate can provide you with a steady stream of passive income through rental properties. Who doesn't love a little extra cash flow every month? And don't forget about the tax advantages. In many cases, you can deduct mortgage interest, property taxes, and other expenses from your taxable income. That can save you a bundle come tax time. But hold on a minute. Before you go running off to buy that beach house, let's talk about the downsides of real estate. First and foremost, it's expensive. We're talking about a significant upfront investment. Even if you qualify for a mortgage, you'll need a hefty down payment. And then, there are the ongoing costs. Property taxes, insurance, maintenance, repairs, it all adds up. You need to factor these costs into your calculations before you take the plunge. Another thing to consider is liquidity. Real estate is not as liquid as stocks. If you need to access your money quickly, you can't just sell your house overnight. It takes time to find a buyer, negotiate a price, and close the deal. Finally, let's not forget about the headaches that come with being a landlord. Dealing with tenants, handling repairs, and navigating the legal aspects of renting can be a real pain. It's not for everyone.